everyone, and welcome to The Voice Mood. I'm your host, Olivia Peck, your local millennial voice teacher. Let's talk about lip trills. Can you do them? Well, it's Vocal Warm-Up Rescue Wednesday. I don't know if I'm going to upload this on a Wednesday, but I think it's fair to say not everybody can do a lip trill, and let's talk about it. What is a lip trill? Why is it so great for singing? Well, it is considered a semi-occluded vocal tract exercise. Yes, that means sovt for short. It means that when you close your mouth, when you make sound, the air that's vibrating your vocal folds from your lungs, it's being stopped at your lips, and that air is supporting your vocal folds, not just underneath where the air is vibrating from, but it's also supporting your vocal folds on top. And that's why we call sovt exercises more gentle warm-ups and like a vocal massage. Some people say it's like massaging your vocal folds because of the way the air is supporting those tiny little muscles. Okay, so that's what a sovt exercise is. But lip trills aren't the only thing that are, a gentle sovt warm-up. Singing with a straw is a very similar effect, and not only is singing with a straw really great for, closing the mouth and singing gently, it's also great because it reminds us to lift the soft palate because of the shape you make with that ooh, ooh. So let's say we can't do this warm-up because it tickles too much, or for whatever reason you can't do a lip trill. You can do the same thing with a straw. Ooh! You can either hold the straw, in your lips and just ooh, like a kazoo, or you can blow bubbles into a cup of water, ooh, like that. I hope you guys know what I'm saying because I don't have a straw right here for you to see. But that's the idea. Another thing you can do is make an NG sound. This is another really, really great exercise because it's exercising that nasal consonant. And it's a really gentle way to explore your full range. You can even use that consonant to reach a certain pitch and open up on it. There you go. Another way you can use an sovt exercise that's not a lip trill is to hum. That's it. You can literally just hum. The only thing I'd recommend with that is don't, clench your teeth on the inside. You actually want to create an O shape on the inside. It's just a little bit easier, and it's just more conducive to singing. Yay. So try those things out if you can't do a lip trill, lip buzz, whatever they're calling it these days. That exercise has been around for forever, and it's an old classic, but not everyone can do it, and you don't have to feel bad if you can't do it. Now, if you do want to learn how to do it, if you're really close, like let's say you go like and you can't keep doing it, then I would just work on your lip trill. The way I would explain it is relax your lips, make sure they're puckered, and make sure you're connected to your breath. Maybe you're not using that air, just like when you blow up a balloon, you really have to use your air. Same thing. As you get higher, as you go along in the phrase, woo, you have to keep using your air. You have to really use that air, or else the buzz will not be buzzing anymore. Anyways, I hope that helps. Let me know if you want more exercises tailored for you and your voice and what works for you. Feel free to sign up for a voice lesson on oliviapeck.com, or you can also hit me up on our weekly live streams. At the making of this video, I do them on Thursday at 8 p.m. CST. And they're really fun. You can also join the Facebook group where I post little tidbits almost daily, like science articles, quotes. If you learn here on YouTube, Feel free to subscribe, hit the bell, share this video with someone who can't do a lip trill, and give it a like if you found it helpful. It helps the channel, it really does. So thanks so much for tuning in.